You know, most of us, maybe during the year, especially maybe for Christmas or any other major Christian festivals or our festivals, we would like to put lights, series of lights or the Zerope lights to decorate our houses. And sometimes, most of the time, it's once a year, and mostly we decorate our houses on the Christmas day. So maybe if we have brought the lights this year, next year when we put it, sometimes you'll see there are some bulbs, no, which are not working, which are completely gone off. There are some bulbs will be flickering on and off, on and off, and there are some bulbs which are uh, bright, means they are working quite perfectly well. You know, as I was reflecting on this, I remembered this image of these bulbs because we Christians also have this kind of same attitude. Some of us know that light within us is completely gone off. We don't radiate that light of Christ within us. We are in our own selfish lives, thinking about ourselves and only about us. Some of us have a kind of a on and off kind of a situation. We radiate the light sometimes, sometimes we are in our own comfort zones. And there are some of us, followers of Christ, Christians, we say for ourselves, who radiate the light of Christ. And today's reading, no, gospel reading, this parable, which is a very dear parable to each and every one of us, which is very known, very commonly known. And as when we were small also, when I was small, we used to enact it in our catechism classes and all. It's a nice parable for us to learn. And a very common, dear parable we can learn. And this parable reminds us now of our call, a call to be a Christian. What is our call? Okay, and today this lawyer asks Jesus, no, what I have to do, no, to inherit the eternal life, no, and Jesus asks him and makes the answer come out from him only, and he answers perfectly. He answers perfectly, but he is not very sure about the second part. And he asks the question, who is the neighbor? And Jesus gives us this beautiful parable, the parable of the Good Samaritan.